Here's a simple and effective DIY sugar and yogurt facial scrub recipe specifically designed to help soothe sunburned skin while gently exfoliating and nourishing it. DIY facial scrub for sunburned sugar plus yogurt benefits. Yogurt cools and soothes sunburn, contains lactic acid which gently exfoliates and promotes healing. Sugar gently removes dead, sun-damaged skin cells. Optional ingredients: add aloe vera, honey, or a few drops of coconut oil for extra soothing and hydration. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons plain unsweetened yogurt, Greek or regular, 1 tablespoon granulated sugar or brown sugar for a gentler scrub, optional, 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel or honey. Instructions: 1. Mix ingredients in a clean bowl. Combine the yogurt and sugar. Stir until well blended. Add aloe vera or honey if using. 2. Application: gently apply the scrub to your clean face using circular motions, avoiding sunburned areas that are raw or blistered. Focus on areas with peeling or flaking skin. 3. Let it sit. Leave the mixture on your skin for 5–10 minutes to allow the yogurt to soothe the burn. 4. Rinse. Rinse with cool or lukewarm water, not hot. Pat dry with a soft towel. 5. Moisturize. Follow up with a soothing, alcohol-free moisturizer or aloe vera gel. Tips and warnings: do not use if skin is blistered, bleeding, or extremely sensitive. Use the scrub no more than 2 to 3 times a week to avoid irritation. Always wear sunscreen when going out, especially after sunburn. Would you like a version of this recipe designed for sensitive or acne-prone skin too?